Hello and welcome to this cyber video tutorial on one of the ways to export from MarkMagic on the AS400 platform. If you are hoping to export from JMagic, there is a separate video tutorial available on our website. Our support team will often ask customers to export their formats so that we can look at them more closely in our testing environment, and this will serve as a step-by-step guide on this process. Once you get to the main screen for MarkMagic, you want to press U for Utilities and X for Export. If you have a runtime license, you need to use options 4 for Utilities and 2 for Export. Also, if you'd like to do this from a command line, you only need to use this exp mmobj command. It will, however, ask you to specify your user library. On the main export screen, we only have a few options to be worried about. First is Save to Device. This lets us specify how we will save our export, and for our purposes, we want to leave it as .PC file so that it can easily be moved and emailed. The MarkMagic object type, printer type, and group all help you to narrow down your search for the correct objects. However, we will just leave them as all and select from a list of all the objects in our active user library. Target release allows you to specify the AS400 operating system version that you will be importing your designs on. Newer versions are always forward compatible, but if you're going to be importing to an older system, you will need to specify the correct version. And the format can be seen as V6R1M0. That's version number, release, and mod. Lastly, the .PC file parameter allows us to specify the location and file name for our export. We recommend that you always use /home/cybra, and for our example, sample format is an appropriate name, so we will continue by pressing enter. First, we select any monitors that we want to export. I just want to send a format today, so I'll be using F19 to continue. And the same thing goes for jobs. On the third screen, we see our formats. We need to choose the one that we will be using for our export. I made one just for this purpose. Give it option 1, press enter, and then enter again to confirm. Now you can see here that the format has been selected. So it's F19 to continue. On the graphics screen, we'll see that any graphics used by the formats that we have selected will automatically have an option 1 placed next to them. We just need to press enter now to select them, and enter for each image in order to confirm it. And we'll see here that they've been selected. So it's F19 to continue. And we don't have any rules or text blocks that we want to be exporting, but those are also possible. So keep that in mind. We'll build our export file, and now we will see our confirmation message that 0 jobs, 1 format, and 2 graphics have been exported by .PC file located in /home/cybra as sampleexport.mmx. Now if we go over to our IFS and navigate to our home and cybra directories, we will see sampleexport.mmx is here, able to be moved or copied over to our local PC and emailed. Thank you very much.